Welcome back to Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. Inspiring Jamaicans, motivating Jamaicans, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. I want to say a big thank you to Pastor Dion from the Temple of Restoration who made this all possible. This is part 2 of the distribution of care packages to needy persons in the community. Thank you, the Temple of Restoration, for thinking about our Jamaican citizens, especially in this time when we have a virus out there and persons are in need of food and a lot of persons are out of job. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you. You're watching Shan ZenZen Jamaican Vibes. Stay tuned. At the front and social distance. Social distance. Sorry. Dion.
Auntie, one?
Yeah, give me this one, Bob. Only the small one.
You want a big bag? The big bag thing?
Yeah, that's cool.